Hello grade 8. How are you everyone? I hope you are fine. This is Mr. Ahmed Samir and today we will talk about the second part of areas of geometric figures, unit 4. Please pay attention. Firstly, the area of trapezium. At the last session we learned the area of rhombus and we said the area of rhombus equals, according to height and base, equals the length of height times the length of side, or side times height, or height times base. The second rule was half times d1 times d2, half times the product of its diagonals. Today we will learn the area of trapezium, but firstly we will study the properties of trapezium. The trapezium has only two opposite sides are parallel. One of them is a small base and the second is a great base. Again, the trapezium has only two opposite sides are parallel and they are called bases. They are called bases. And the other sides are called legs. Then the trapezium consists of two bases and two legs. The trapezium has only one height joining between the bases and perpendicular to them. Now we will classify the trapezium into isosceles trapezium and right trapezium. Firstly, we will learn the isosceles trapezium. ABCD is isosceles trapezium, has two legs are equal in length and its diagonals are equal in length. The isosceles trapezium has one axis of symmetry is L, is perpendicular to its bases and bisect it, divide the bases into two equal parts. Then it divides AD into two equal parts and divides BC into two equal parts. Secondly, the right trapezium. ABCD is called right trapezium. It has one of its legs as perpendicular to its bases. So AB is perpendicular to the parallel bases. AB is perpendicular to AD and BC. AB is considered a height of the trapezium. And now I will talk about a new definition as the middle base of trapezium. It's the line segment joining the midpoints of the two legs of trapezium as XY. X is the midpoint of AB and Y is the midpoint of CD. Then XY is called the middle base of trapezium and it is parallel to the two bases XY parallel to AD and CB. Now let's find the middle base of trapezium. The middle base equals the half of the sum of the two bases. Again, the middle base equals half of the sum of the two bases equals half times AD plus BC. Again, the middle base is half of the sum of two bases equal half of AD plus BC. AD is the length of the side AD, and CB is the length of the side BC. Then the middle base equal half of the sum of two bases. Example: if there is a trapezium XYZL whose XY equal 6 centimeter and ZL equals 10 centimeter, find its middle base. So the middle base equals half of 6 plus 10 equals half of 16 equals 8 centimeter. The last point in our session, the area of trapezium. We have two rules to find the area of trapezium. Firstly, according to its basis and height. In this case, the area of trapezium will be half of sum of two bases times height. Half of the sum of its basis length times height. The second rule, according to its middle base and height. And the area of trapezium now will be the middle base times height. If you notice that the middle base is half of sum of its basis length. Now, according to the basis length equals half of sum of its basis length times height, but according to its middle base, the area equals the middle base times height. An example: a trapezium in which its two parallel bases are 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and its height equals 6 centimeter. Find its area. Now, the givens are the two parallel bases and height. So, the area will be half of the sum of two bases times height. But if you suppose that the small base will be L1, the symbol of the small base L1, and suppose that the symbol of the large base is L2, so the area will be half times L1 plus L2 times height equals half times 5 plus 7 times 6. By using calculator, equals 36 centimeter square. Another example: trapezium in which the length of its middle base is 10 centimeter and its height 11 centimeter. Now the givens are the middle base and the height. So the area will be the middle base times height equals 10 times 11 equals 110 centimeter square. Another example: trapezium whose area equals 72 centimeter square and its height equals 9 centimeter. Find the middle base. The middle base is the inverse operation of the area. Will be area over height. The middle base equals the area over height equals 72 over 9 equals 8 centimeter. Another example: two pieces of land have equal areas. One of them has the shape of rhombus whose diagonals are 18 and 24 meters, and the other one has the shape of trapezium whose height is 12 meters. Find the length of its middle base. Since the two pieces of land have equal areas, so we can find the area of rhombus and the trapezium will equal to it. Let's see. Area of trapezium from the last session equals half times d1 times d2 equals half times 18 times 24 equals 216 meters square. Then the area of trapezium equals 216 meters square. Now we have the area of trapezium and the height of trapezium. we can find the middle base by the rule of the middle base equals the area of over height equal to 116 over 12 equals 18 meters. Another example, the area of trapezium is 180 centimeters square and its height is 12 centimeter. Find the length of its parallel bases if the ratio between their length is 3:2. The givens here is the area of trapezium and the height of trapezium. From its givens, we can find the middle base. So the middle base will be 180 over 12 equal 15 centimeter. And we have another given is the ratio between their bases, or the ratio between the length of the bases, 3:2. Then by using the ratios, we can form a ratio between the bases and its middle base. L1, the small base, to the large base, to the middle base. Firstly, we will write the ratios between them. 3:2 to the middle base by these givens equals 5/2. Half times 3 plus 2 equals 5/2. And its values, x is unknown, the small base is unknown, and the large base is unknown. But the given here is the middle base equals 15. By using a cross, x equals 3 times 15 over 5/2 equals 18 centimeter. So the large base will be 18 centimeter. By using a cross, y equal 2 times 15 over 5/2 equals 12 centimeter. Thank you for listening.